Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to repair and reinstall Outlook. If you've been experiencing issues with Outlook like crashes, freezing, or emails not loading properly, this repair process can resolve many of these problems without losing your data. Let's walk through this together. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and let your emails load completely. This initial step is important because it ensures your account is properly connected before we begin the repair process. Give it a moment to fully sync all your messages and folders. Now that your emails have loaded, we're ready to access the repair tools. To do this, you'll need to open the Apps and Features menu on your computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, which will bring up the search bar. Type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. This menu is your central hub for managing all installed programs on your Windows computer. The Apps and Features window will appear on your screen. You'll land directly on a list showing all the apps you've installed, which is exactly where we need to be. This list might be quite long depending on how many programs you have, so to save time, look for the search bar at the top of this window. Type in Outlook to quickly filter the results. Click on the Outlook result that appears. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a new option appears at the bottom labeled Advanced Options. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you into the deeper settings for Outlook, where we can access repair and reset tools that aren't visible in the standard menu. In the Advanced Options window, scroll down until you find the Reset section. This is where Microsoft keeps the repair and reset tools for their applications. Here, you'll see the Repair button clearly displayed. This repair function is designed to fix common issues with Outlook without removing your emails, settings, or account information. Click on the Repair button to start the process. Windows will now begin repairing your Microsoft Outlook installation. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the system works through the repair. You may see a progress indicator, or the window might briefly close and reopen. Once the repair is complete, your Outlook should be functioning smoothly again. And there you have it. You've successfully repaired your Microsoft Outlook installation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.